Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the dollar CAD is definitely got a little bit of a double bottom, and it definitely does have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look that you see often at the end of a trend. And then even the wave 5 has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we do get an engulfing move to the upside, you definitely could justify looking for longs. And if it does do that, it might just even go up and do like a big old wave A, taking out the high of wave 4. Now, I personally would have to wait for the engulfing move to the upside because the higher time frames are definitely down. And there's a chance that it just breaks out to the downside and just keeps on going down, which is why I'm still looking for sorts in a downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we definitely have an impulsive move up. I mean, that is definitely a trend in my eyes. This to me looks more like a correction. So if it just keeps on going down, then fine, we're looking for sorts anyways, right? But if it goes down to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, that makes like a nice big engulfing move to the upside, a nice break of structure up, then that probably is going to go up for either a wave C or a wave 3. I would definitely assume that it's an ABC, that this is an A and this is a B, but it definitely could turn into a wave 1, and then this could be a wave 2 and a wave 3, especially looking at the 5-wave pattern that we have on the daily time frame. So it's up to you whether you want to try to counter trend trade it. I definitely am looking for sorts, but if it does decide to change directions, I'll be more than happy to start looking for logs. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.